Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Today, let's do a very different and unusual video. Now this is about cutting and cleaning a fish. Well, before I get into the technical aspects of cleaning and cutting a fish, let me thank all of you for all your emails, all your messages and all your comments in the section below. A resonating request has always been for us to show you cuts of fish. So today is the time. Apart from doing pomfret and Indian mackerel today, I'm also taking the liberty of doing prawns. So that is a prawn. That's the head part of a prawn. That's the body. And finally, the tail. The first part is to actually snip off the head like so. You can cut it or you can pull it off. Well, you can cut it off or pull it apart depending on how comfortable you are. The next is to insert your thumb like so and remove the skin or the peel off like this. While removing the peel, what will also happen is that the legs like this, as we colloquially know them as, or the swimmerets technically, also get peeled off. Finally, you can reserve this if you feel so, but what's important is to remove this sharp part which is called the telson. Let's pull this apart like so. You can keep it like that or you can peel the entire thing off. Well, the head of the prawn is also used in a lot of recipes. So to use that, what we need to do is snip this off along with this part. Eventually, you can make a nice potato curry using the head of the prawn as well. Well, to this there are no names as such, but colloquially you can call it semi-peeled retaining the tail. The next one is to peel it completely off. For that, I'm actually going to pull this apart like so. Instead of cutting it, peel this like so. When we had retained this earlier, in this case, you pinch it and pull it out like so. This is called complete peeling of the prawn. While peeling this, it's important to either keep a bowl of water next to you so that you can keep washing your hands regularly, or you can do this next to a running tap water. The next step and the most important step while handling prawn is to clean the vein or to clean the intestine. Extremely important. What we need to do is give it a gash like so and draw out this green or yellow or black portion. You can also give it a cut like so. So this gets completely lodged out. This now needs to be washed nicely, and this is now a prawn which is ready to go in your stir fries, gravies or curries. Similarly, let's clean all our prawn. It's extremely important to keep yourself clean, to keep washing the cutting board, to keep washing the knife, the kitchen shears and your hands. Well, the last one is actually my favorite cut of a prawn. Well, that is retaining everything with the skin and the head on the prawn, but snipping off the dangerous bits that could harm you within, right? So the first one is actually the antenna or the moustache as we call it colloquially. So the first is to snip it eye down along with the legs or the swimmerets as I said earlier. It's extremely important to have sharp kitchen knives and shears or scissors. The last one is to snip off the telson. Well, a quick wash. This one is now ready to go in your prawn curries or gravies.